Now that you have braces, there's certain things that we have to go over that are very important. Brushing is very important when having braces. Improper brushing can cause cavities and irritated gums. We do ask that you brush 3 times a day, morning, after lunch or after school, and before bedtime. When you brush, we ask that you brush for a full 2 minutes. We ask that you brush in circular motions, above your brackets and under your brackets, and gently massage your gums. We ask that you also floss at least 1 time a day, either using floss threaders or hand flossers specifically for braces. At each appointment, we will be checking how well you are brushing, and we will let you know if there needs to be improvement. A token will be given at each appointment if your brushing is great. Our token system. Like mentioned before, you can get tokens by having great oral hygiene, by wearing your Ridder Orthodontics t-shirt, or by bringing in your report card. Each A is worth 1 token. You can trade tokens in for the items out of the bins, get a drink out of our cooler, or save them up for our gift cards. Food list. The glue and the cement that holds your brackets and bands on your teeth are only strong enough to move your teeth and cannot withstand the forces of biting improperly and eating the wrong foods. Here are some examples of the food that you should avoid while on treatment. Apples, carrots, celery, or any other raw dehydrated fruits or vegetables not cut into small bite-sized pieces. Limit your carbonated beverages. Stay away from your caramel candies. Corn on the cob, always remove the corn from the cob. Doritos, Fritos, tortilla chips, and pretzels. Hard candies such as taffy, jawbreakers, Jolly Ranchers, suckers, or any candies with nuts. Hard shell nuts such as peanuts, pistachios, and corn nuts. Meat, make sure that you cut it away from the bone. Your ribs, your chicken, your steak, your wings, all your meat, pull the meat from the bone. Tacos and taquitos with hard shells. Do not chew on any other hard objects such as ice cubes from your drinks, straws, pencil caps, pen caps, or any pieces of plastic. You may chew gum, however it needs to be sugar-free gum. In case of a breakage, please try to call ahead for an extended appointment or schedule an additional appointment to have the bracket replaced. If an irritation occurs, use wax that has been provided to you. It is only a temporary solution to the irritation. If possible, schedule an appointment to have your braces looked at to see what is causing the irritation. If any pain or discomfort occurs, use Advil, or if you can muster through it, normally the pain should subside 3 to 5 days after any ortho work has been done. Our hours of operation are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Emergency service is available evenings as well as Friday through Sunday. Emergency appointments include patient discomfort, which cannot be alleviated with wax. If the patient needs an emergency appointment, call the office and you will receive an emergency telephone number to call. Broken brackets do not constitute an emergency unless the patient is in pain from the wire. Any pain will be taken care of immediately. However, due to the time it takes to repair a broken bracket, you will need to schedule an appointment for the bracket to be repaired. Inclement weather. If Keller ISD is closed, our offices will be closed. Appointments are typically every 8 to 10 weeks, usually lasting between 15 to 30 minutes. All long appointments, including initial bandings and removals, which is getting braces on or off, must take place between 9 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. As a courtesy, the day prior to your appointment, you should receive a phone call from our office to confirm your appointment. 24 hours notice is required when canceling or rescheduling an appointment, especially if it's an early morning or after school time slot, as these are the most sought after appointments. If you realize that you may be late, please call us so that way we can make any necessary adjustments. If the schedule permits, we will make every effort to accommodate you, or a new appointment may be necessary. Thank you for choosing Ridder Orthodontics. As you begin your orthodontic treatment, please don't hesitate to call at any time.